So, pieces per minute. So, yung pieces per minute is yung ratio ng number of pieces over time. So, halimbawa, meron kang 120 pieces in 2 minutes. So, 60 pieces per minute yon kasi 120 divided by 2. So, again, kung ikaw ay nasa manufacturing, sa piece rate ka, kumbaga, per peraso yung trabaho mo, na-compute na natin kung paano kino-compute yung bayad o yung payroll doon, which is a human resource concept or thing, di ba? Na ano lang natin itong pieces per minute natin. So, sa manufacturing, okay ito. Importanteng malaman to. Kahit sabihin mo na napakasimple ng equation na to, pero kung hindi nyo to alam, lalo na sa mga computer science, na gumagawa ng online and GUI-based softwares, even dito rin pinapattern yung AI. So, nasan yung pagiging nyo? If you don't know this concept in manufacturing, halimbawa, or in business. Lalo na kung kayo ay nasa manufacturing industry or manufacturing sector at sabihin na natin sa piecework. So, yun lang pa.